Omni God Gogeta. So with the like silver hair and the lines on the face. Landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with that W in the middle of the face. So we just go W like that. Eyebrows then. Like a check mark, comes up and down to there. Square end. And then bring it down, make it skinny as you come down. Right, same on this side. Check mark. Like so, square end, bring it down. Eyes then, so he's the short line, the long line, and we just bring these across like so. Same on this side. Iris and pupil. Well, I don't think he has pupils, so just iris. Like so. Nose, just this kind of hook there, and then the shadow is always sort of drawn in the side of the nose there. He's smiling. And then we got the cheek marks, of course. And then those lines that come across his face as well. And then the chin, well, shadow lines just there, and his chin just down here. Jaw, so we go for the jaw. Comes out diagonally. You want to stop about mouth level, just here with the bottom of the nose or the mouth, and like the edge of his eye. See there? And then we go change direction, go up the side of the face, all the way up. And then we meet his sideburns and the tops of the ears, just here. So ears then, down around to there, like so. And then, yeah, like a letter J. Up there inside the ear. Like so. Okay, so then that detail, right, around his face, the stuff around his eyes. So you got to go sort of like starting here, right? So it comes down, around like so. This will all be red, right? So it goes into there, back up, another one, back up, and then around the bottom of his eye. So you're like thickening up the eyelid line. Right, like so. Same pretty much on this side. It goes down, out, in, back in. And then down the bottom of the eye. Like so. And then we have the V in the middle of the forehead, right? So how big is it? About this big, I'd say. Okay. And then his hair. So we just have top of his hairline, the V sort of here. And then this goes around the side there. And the side there. And then hairline comes out, hair like fringe spike. He's got a big long one. To there, and some texture lines underneath. So rest of his hair. So we're going kind of Super Saiyan 3, it looks like. So it all comes out from behind his shoulders, right? So we'll do his shoulders first. So he's got these, we'll do down here and then the hair coming out. So we'll go his neck muscles, just here. And then these bumping pads that are on the shoulder. There, right? Same sort of thing on this side. Right? And then we have some anatomy in here. So we go center line for his chest is just there. And then we go chest muscle coming across the top. Chest muscle going across the top. Like some muscle fiber lines and stuff here. And then another muscle line there, there. Neck muscle. Here, here. Adam's apple, there. Some hatching lines on his trapezius, right? And then another layer, right? So we go out again, diagonally for the black of his shoulder. And then we have another one of those shoulder pad things. Interesting wardrobe choice, always by Gogeta. Do. And then shoulder muscles. Coming down this way. Okay, so now we can do the rest of his hair, which basically all goes down in behind that back. So we got like a couple of layers. So we go like some small ones at first, in behind. Like so, coming across the front. Just sticking out the sides, so there's loads of these now. And so that's like the first layer, and then we go in behind the back as well. Right, and you just kind of keep going, keep building it up until you think that's enough. And remember, hair moves, doesn't have to be exactly like mine. I've seen Super Saiyan hair drawn lots of different ways. Hair 3. What did I say? Okay, and then maybe like some more long going down behind his back. Right, and then you just need texture lines all over. Does he have a bar? You know, okay, I'll draw it. So like this coming across his chest. If he doesn't have it before, he has it now. So I couldn't find an image. So I'm gonna put one on this guy. Right, so I forgot some like frown lines here. Omni God, Gogeta. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.